pull up, I hop out at receiving. And who do I see? Another mud transport. We out here working, man. What do you see? Mud transport. Back there to the door, right there. Mud transport. Back there to the door, over there. My guy in there sleep. But it's all good. Because we out here working, man. This is your boy DEEentrepreneur, man. Hey, y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at DEEentrepreneur. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hey, man, we are having a mother trucking day out here on a Saturday, man. We over here in Decatur, Georgia, man, at Publix Warehouse Distribution. You know, me and my guy Jake, man, dropped off a load this morning. I just backed up to the door. He already been here for probably about an hour or so. You know, we just came from McDonough, Georgia to Decatur, Georgia, 63 miles. Hey, $1,000. 63 miles, excuse me, $1,000. What y'all think? That's what we doing. This is what we do every day. You know what I'm saying? It's blessed, I'm blessed. Y'all be blessed. Hey, y'all make sure y'all plug into the group below, Black Trucker Excellence. Y'all make sure y'all get some of that mud apparel. Click into the link below too. We have courses coming. Y'all can sign up for the course right now. The cheapest and last and best course that you would need for transportation. Everything you need to succeed. $1 million blueprint. I got it for you. I got it for the low. Y'all make sure y'all plug in for that. Y'all want to find out how to get these shippers and stuff like that? Y'all want to find out how to continue building on these trucks, getting more trailers, getting more contracts under your belt, you know what I'm saying? And even if you're just trying to find out the beginning, the basics, and you know, how to coordinate your loads and do the logistics and run the background and everything that you need and stuff like that, hey, got something coming for y'all, man. That's Run a Fleet. I'm gonna show y'all how to run a fleet. You wanna learn? You wanna learn the dispatching? You wanna learn how to run a truck, multiple trucks? Holla at me. And you also can get in right now. You can sign up. We have a 3-day live event coming, and it's gonna be online though, on Zoom. And it's gonna be live with my wife and I. That's the one that's behind me. She been in transportation for like 12 years, running multiple trucks, 30 trucks at a time. My wife been doing this before the internet, before the computers and all this stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? We got it out the mud. You feel me? Like, we not new to this, we really true to this. That's coming up, the live event coming up. The first one, December 2nd through the 4th, could get it right now for $150. After that, I'm charging about $300. You can get it half off right now, all the way up to Black Friday. So make sure you plug in to that. I'm just out here enjoying it, man. I'm enjoying life. Life is good, life is great in the Peach State where I'm at, you know? And I just want to say what's up to everybody out there, man. Hey, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Man, y'all follow me on Instagram, man, and I appreciate the feedback, man. Y'all give me a thumbs up, man, for the algorithm. Y'all have a great mother trucking day. I'm a money machine, I'm a money machine.